So let's get started. So I have here a default cube in a new Blender project. So I'm going to apply three uh, modifiers. The first one being mirror modifier, then I'm going to apply skin modifier, and the last one is subdivision surface modifier. And I will set this value to 2. And I'm going to turn on the X-ray view. So I'm going to select all the vertices, right click and merge vertices and center. So I'm going to press G and move it down here. I'm going to then extrude this. These are going to be legs of our character. And I'm then going to turn on clipping in the mirror modifier and then extrude this so that the vertices join at the center here. Then extrude up and now to create arms and shoulder, I'm going to turn off clipping and extrude. Extrude again. This is forearm. Extrude. And extrude for palm and fingers. I'm not going to create fingers in this video, so I want to keep this video very simple. So we'll just flatten it and create kind of palm here. Next, I'm going to turn on clipping again and extrude neck, and then extrude further to create head. Select this vertex. I'm going to create Control R, click Control R, and add a vertex here. I'm going to then press Control A and create a head like this. And I'm going to create feet. Extrude in Y direction. I'm going to create N and bring up the this menu here, and I'm going to reduce the X radius. So we have flat foot here. Similarly, I'm going to select the vertex for palm and make it flat. I'm going to change the Y radius also so it becomes white and flat. I'm going to do a bit of that here. Yeah, this looks good. I'm going to add a few more vertices. So select this, Control R, and I'm going to add 3 vertices here. I'm going to select this vertex and Control R to create a vertex at knees. And then I'm going to select this vertex, Control A to resize it a bit. Do the same thing here. And the next. Maybe I'll select these vertices and bring them closer, the legs closer. Okay, so I'm not going to spend too much time creating eyes, nose. You can do that if you want. My focus is here just to show how to create quick character and rig it using Rigify, create animations and use it in unity. So I'm going to move to object mode and I'm going to smooth shade this. Just before that, I am going to apply all the modifiers and smooth shade. All right. So move to the front view. Oh, looks like our. I need to turn the character 180 degrees. Rotate around the z-axis. All right. And I'm going to apply all transforms. I'm going to move the character up. All right.